Next, the crushed walnuts proceed to the pressing stage, where screw presses or hydraulic presses extract the oil. These machines apply significant pressure to separate the oil from the solid residue, commonly referred to as cake. Modern pressing systems are engineered for high efficiency. After pressing, the crude oil undergoes filtration through advanced filtering units to remove impurities and particulates. This step is crucial for enhancing the clarity and shelf life of the oil. Some production lines also include refining stages such as degumming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization. The entire process is supported by auxiliary equipment like conveyors, storage tanks, and packaging machinery. Conveyors transport materials between different stages, while storage tanks hold both raw materials and finished products. Packaging equipment automates the bottling and labeling processes. Automation plays a vital role in optimizing the performance of this production line. Integrated control systems monitor and regulate each step, ensuring consistent output and reducing human error. Overall,